There comes a point when your health changes, but your house doesn't. And suddenly, the home you once loved feels like too much to manage. Stairs that used to be no big deal now feel like a mountain. Snow shoveling, yard work, cleaning, hauling laundry, even simple repairs, they all add up. Especially with Wisconsin winters and health or mobility issues. If you're living with pain, limited mobility, breathing problems, or other health conditions, trying to keep up with a bigger home can be exhausting and, honestly, unsafe. That doesn't mean you failed. It just means your house no longer fits the reality of your life and your health. Maybe you've stopped using certain rooms because of stairs. Maybe repairs keep piling up because you physically can't tackle them. Or you're worried every time ice builds up outside, and you still have to get to the mailbox or garage. A lot of Wisconsin homeowners quietly reach the same point, realizing that downsizing, moving closer to family, or finding a more accessible place isn't giving up. It's choosing your health, safety, and peace of mind over constant stress and risk. That's where Fair Deal Home Buyers comes in. We buy houses in Wisconsin as is for cash, village-style homes in snow. Using a simple 3-step process. You don't have to clean out every room, make repairs, or get the home perfect for showings. You tell us about the property, we make you a fair cash offer, village-style homes in snow. And if it works for you, you pick the closing date. Our goal is to make selling easy so you can start fresh. Whether that means moving into a smaller, one-level home, an apartment with no yard work, or closer to the care and support you need. No endless open houses, no contractors, village-style homes in snow. No wondering if a buyer's loan will go through. If your health has made home maintenance feel overwhelming, you don't have to carry that burden alone. Reach out to Fair Deal Home Buyers for a no-obligation conversation and cash offer. And see if a simpler, safer next chapter might be closer than you think. Fair Deal Home Buyers. We make selling easy so you can start fresh.